think we'll be in for a rude awakening tomorrow morning. I don't know about that.
Ew, don't.
Oh.
Actually, grab him by his head, he won't.
Woo! How do you do this? What's happening, YouTube? Back on the road again. Bit of camping, going to meet up with our friend Wayne that we've met up with in the past. So yeah, just on the road now, and I'll stick on an absolute tune. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Just a quick disclaimer before the time lapse, it is smoky AF here in Banff because of all the wildfires that are currently going on in California. All the smoke, so as you can see, kind of looks a bit apocalyptic. The minute you can't really see the mountains. Walmart. Shopping in Walmart. Leah's pumped as normal. We'll be on camera. Never actually showed you what the back of a car looks like whenever you go camping. Leah has it all very, very well organised. But yeah, as you can see, there is stuff absolutely everywhere. This here's Wayne's car. He's got the thing on the tops for more storage. It's a Jeep Cherokee. It's pretty sweet. It's lifted, the wheels are nice. Setting up camp here in the middle of a, it's like staging area it's called. It's kind of like a car park. It's not a campground, but we just drove in, just gonna stay here. Probably not technically meant to stay here, to be honest, but yeah, we're just gonna stay anyway. We're gonna leave all the stuff under the tarp and we're gonna sleep in the cars tonight because it's too much hassle setting up the big 6-manner.
This looks more stealthy too, instead of tents. Like if people drive by, you won't be noticeable as much.
We just woke up the Akai here and it's all confused and it doesn't know how it got inside here. And Leah, of course, Leah feels bad being a vegetarian and all that. So we're going to try and get it out. Here, Kai. All the Kai mates are like over here. But this Kai doesn't know how it got in here. I don't know how it got in here either. Leah's trying to open the gate at 6:30 in the morning.
I feel bad.
Kai is in distress, keeps moving. The Kai got out the way I came. But I was slept in here last night. This here's Wayne's cooking setup here. We've gotten to go. Cooked a big steak on there last night. I don't even know what this is. I think it's like, it's called a staging area, whatever a staging area is. I think it's just like a place for people to rest or make a bit of lunch. You're definitely not meant to camp here, but we just came into this wee corner here and camped away. No one came, told us to move, so I think we've got away with it.
Don't touch anything, I'm doing it.
Leah doesn't like when I do anything, but then when I don't do anything I get shouted at, so it's lose-lose.
Yeah, the life of a man.
Breakfast of champions. So we're at a place called the Frank Slide. So look around. Look at the size of these rocks, they're huge. And then there's the mountain where it just came crashing down. So the mountain, there was a big landslide and the mountain just came crashing down through here and buried like most of the town. There used to be a town and stuff here. Now look at the size of them rocks, like that's huge.
Miners underground managed to tunnel their way to the surface. The slide had also buried construction camp.
Whew, 70 people lost their lives when that thing came down, that mountain came down. Just came down out of nowhere and 70 people died. And we drove past the wee graveyard back there where they're all buried. But underneath there's banks, there's buildings, everything.
Stables, livestock.
Rocks the size of like houses just coming down from the mountain and sliding. There you have it, mental. There you have it, 40 bucks for a full tank. So we're on our way again to a new campsite, I think a proper campsite this time. Wayne is leading the charge. He says there's good fishing and stuff, so hopefully we'll catch a fish in this vlog. But the drive's pretty sweet drive. Look what I'm drinking, by the way. Ice blue Gatorade, ice cold. If you want to see a video of me lug 40 of these up a mountain, I'll link it in the description below. Check that out. I give away free Gatorades to anyone subscribed to my channel. It was tough work. Apparently this is coal mining territory. All the boys in the mine. Shout out to Rito, he loves an old mine. You catch Rito down the tunnels 24/7 down under. So we're just driving into our campsite here. Someone drinking the Corona was here. Love to see that. But yeah, the fire pit's really cool. It's not like a normal fire pit, it's just like a built up one with rocks. So we're gonna put the tents here. Wayne's really intelligent with all this stuff. It's great listening to him. Camp all set up. We're gonna cook here underneath the gazebo. Sit around here under the fire and sleep there. Just back here, Wayne was showing us this is where a lot of hunters come to camp, and they go off hunting and they bring their animal or whatever they've caught and they hang it up here. So they'd hang like a moose or an elk, deer, whatever, and they'd gut it and whatever, take the skin off it. It's pretty cool. The train conductor was just waving out the window. So yeah, I think we'll be in for a rude awakening tomorrow morning. So now we're gonna go hiking across this here. We're just gonna walk this way until we get to the next one and have a beer. So we're gonna walk right on the train tracks. I've never done that before, so hopefully it's pretty cool. There's the campsite. This is pretty cool.
There's a spike.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They don't use them much anymore.
The balance?
Yeah.
Now I've got like the watching.
There you go. Look at that.
You got me nervous.
Where's it coming? Train's coming apparently. Here comes the train. Oh.
No.
Oh. Can you? I don't know about that.
Ew, don't.
Oh.
Actually, grab him by his head, he won't even bug you.
No, I don't know about that. Jeez. They're so, he's actually quite soft.
They're smooth.
Oh. That's probably not good for it.
Ew. Oh.
Leah.
No, don't!
Yeah, garter snake, they're harmless.
I used to be able to touch them, now they're too freaky. That one's not very green.
Oh, hand smell after it.
Ew. I pissed on you.
Stinks.
Yeah.
That's what I call fire. Wayne's just taking us fishing up the river here, so let's see if we can catch anything. We're using like fly bait on a spin cast rod, so it's a bit tricky, but we'll see what happens.
Reel, 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 Connor. Reel, 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 reel. Reel it. Reel. Come on, all the way in. All the way in. Come on. Back up, back up, back up, back up, Connor. Back up. Back up. Back up, because he's going to jump off.
Oh,
See?
what are you meant to
Connor,
do?
go on land.
Oh.
Back. This means back up, Connor. Back up. Reverse. Every time.
It's a learning. How's the fly look? Check the fly once in a while. That's a nice cast.
All right. I feel lucky here.
Just take your time. Oh! Watch you don't get it caught all around your fin.
But
Oh, it was right on there.
Keep it tight. Just make sure you keep it tight.
keep going, Connor. Keep wheeling.
Keep your rod stuck up in the hole.
You're giving him slack, Connor. Keep wheeling.
Oh!
Keep wheeling, Connor. Oh, it's a big one. Keep wheeling it, Connor.
Keep going. Yes.
Yeah. Gotta get it in. Keep it tight, Connor. Keep it tight. Keep it in.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, it's huge.
Woo! Look at that! Wow! Holy! Is this filming?
Yeah.
Look at that! Whoa! That's a cracker!
That's your whitefish, buddy. Oh.
You want to let it go, Connor?
Yeah.
No, you don't want to eat these.
No, like, but wrap 2 hands around it, Connor.
Yeah, I'll
I
get
know, Wayne will show me.
Oh, my feet are muddy.
Oh my
Gosh, Connor.
How do you hold them?
Oh my god.
There. Now walk in.
Woo! How many pounds you say that is, man?
That'd be probably a 2-pound whitefish for
2
sure.
pound?
Yeah.
Now walk in and you know how to.
It's nice, isn't it?
Nice and slippery.